Today on Happiest Places Home, we're bringing you the $500 living room from IKEA. Pieces curated in the living room shown here are selected for their low price, but also the impact of their style in this combination. First up is the sofa that I selected. It's the sand back end from IKEA. Normally it's $279, which is amazing. Here it's on sale, but if you figure in the regular price, it is still fantastic for a sofa that is the same size as your average three-seater sofa. It also is in a beautiful neutral color, and the fabric is removable so you can easily clean it. The coffee table that I selected is the Lac coffee table from IKEA. It's $29 and it's an IKEA classic. It's been around for a long time. I've owned one. It's very sturdy, but you can see how the design can stand the test of time because of the clean lines and the basic style. With the two shelves, you can put decorative items on top and then your more functional items on the second shelf. Between the sofa and the coffee table, we've only spent $293, so we have plenty more budget to go to get more seating and surfaces to use in the room. The next item I chose is the pillow armchair. At $50 a chair, we could easily afford two to bring you extra seating in the living room. The pillow looks a lot to me like another chair that IKEA has for about $40 to $50 more, and that really impressed me too. So far, our total price is $393 for two chairs, a sofa, and a coffee table. So let's add more. It's always nice to have side tables to put drinks on and accessories. I selected the Lac coffee tables. These are renowned at IKEA for being one of their lowest price items. There have been times where they've only been priced at $7 each. The Lac side tables come in white and black in addition to this color, but this particular color is the most expensive, which indicates to us that it is the most popular color of the moment. These are also wider than your average coffee table. A floor lamp for $12.99 is unheard of, but of course we can count on IKEA to bring us great style for a great price. I selected this floor lamp to be placed on the side of the sofa that doesn't have a side table. There's plenty of space to put drinks and accessories with the other two tables that we already have in that space. Let's take another look at the design of the room. So now you can see where we place the floor lamp, and then it's a reminder that we have the two tables, one in between our chairs, and then one on the other side of the sofa, and we need lighting on those too. I chose the Grono table lamps. They're $12.99 and they're very bright but also petite, so there's plenty of room to put a little accessory on the side table or to place your book or electronic device there. I wanted to give you a peek at what these lights look like turned on. It's a nice warm light, which you might not expect from such a bright white product. Now to ground the room and pull all of the pieces together, I selected this rug. It's $24.99. Unbelievably, it's not the least expensive rug that they have, but I chose this for its color, and I think it has a nice impact on the design. I wanted to note here that this rug would support the design whether you have hardwood, stone, tile, or even carpet. There is nothing wrong with putting a throw rug on top of carpet if it's centering your room. It'll actually make it look a lot better. All right, let's see how we did with our purchases. Now don't forget, we had a sofa, a coffee table, two comfortable chairs, two side tables, a floor lamp, two table lamps, and a rug. Were we able to decorate a $500 room from IKEA? Yes, in fact, we came under the $500 mark at a grand total of $486.91. Thank you for watching Happiest Places Home. If you like the content here, please like, share, and subscribe.